I note that Larry Kudlow is now saying the U.S. has regained control of the virus. I'm tempted to say I wouldn't want to see this virus out of control if we've already lost 200,000 souls. Clearly, the effort is to ignore the elephant in the room, the giant fatal elephant in the room. 28 states are showing levels on the upswing. What is the campaign's travel strategy that you know of in trying to change the subject? And is there any visual manifestation to you covering this campaign, this White House, that they're short on money?
Well, the travel schedule is basically, to start with that the president has quietly returned to doing rallies, the sorts of events you would absolutely not hold in this pandemic, the sorts of events that his own public health advisors and scientists have generally banned and that are banned in a number of states. It was sort of a quiet return. It has largely been outdoor events, although he did, of course, do that indoor event in Nevada. And tonight we saw what was basically a rally double header. He had an event Friday, he had an event Saturday, he had two rallies basically tonight in Ohio. He goes to Pittsburgh tomorrow. He's in Jacksonville on Thursday. We're hearing he may have events over the weekend. So this is a president, and you see how he is so animated being back up there. At the Post, we like to use this analogy a lot. I think I've probably mentioned it on your show, but he's sort of this teapot who boils and boils and has to let off some steam. And you do see that in the comments he's making. It allows him to pretend that the coronavirus basically does not exist. But for the people who are in the shot directly behind him, who all do end up wearing MAGA masks, much of the crowd is unmasked. There is basically no social distance going on. And just tonight, I was struck by, again, the president sort of pretending this virus away in a throwaway line that I doubt was on the teleprompter. He just said, and everybody open the schools now. Well, there's a reason the schools are closed. It's because we're in the middle of a pandemic, and these states and these school systems have made a decision that is not safe for the students or their families to return. But the campaign and these rallies gives Trump the chance to create this illusion that the current reality is not what it is.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.